What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video. So we're gonna be talking about why this year is the best year to start a online business, and it's never been easier to start one, but you guys do have to follow the right steps in order to get started. And there are really a handful of different types of businesses that you guys can get into, like Amazon FBA, drop shipping, and affiliate marketing, and more. And all of these different businesses have very similar steps on how you guys can get started and how you can start making money. And there are 5 very important steps that you guys need to take if you want to make 100K with your online business this year. So make sure you guys stick to the end of the video because every single one of these steps is very important. So step number 1 is that you guys need a product to sell, and so many people get stuck up on this because there's just so many different products out there and they get analysis paralysis. But in order to simplify it for you, you want to look for a product that is in high demand, it solves a problem, and it's also good quality. And some of the best places that you can find these types of products is Amazon, Etsy, and TikTok. And one really good way to find products on Amazon is by going to the new releases section and seeing what types of products have a lot of reviews. And if a product has like 100 or even 50 reviews over the past couple of weeks or months, then that's a very good sign that it's getting consistent sales. And Amazon listings get about 1 review per 10 orders, so you guys can see here that this product was released very recently and already has amassed a ton of reviews, so that means it probably has a bunch of orders already. So what you'd want to do is go on Amazon and see what other listings there are that are selling this product as well. And the thing about Amazon listings is that there's usually 1 review for 10 orders. So if an Amazon listing had around 100 reviews, you would know that it had at least 1,000 orders. And then next, another good way to find cool products is by going on TikTok. There are products going viral every single day, and if you guys look up AliExpress haul videos or product review videos, there are tons of accounts on here that upload daily videos on products that you probably haven't even seen before. And you guys also want to pay attention to the comment section to these videos because you can see exactly how much engagement that they're getting and if people are asking how they can get the product or if it's a good idea. And then a way to verify these products as well is that you can go on AliExpress and see how many orders it has and then also how good of the reviews are. And on top of this, what you can also do is go on Google Trends and see how well it's trending up. If a product has a consistent trend line that is shooting upward, that's a very good sign that it's a product that's in very consistent demand and it's something that sells year round. Now going on to step 2, we need to find a supplier for our products. The whole goal here is to make money and to make a profit. So in order to do that, we need to sell the product for around 2.5 to 3x of what we can get it from the supplier. This way you guys can have a profit margin of at least $15 for every single sale that you get. And one place that you can get a general idea of what you're going to be paying for cost of goods is by going on AliExpress or Alibaba and then looking up your product keywords. And by using these types of suppliers, you actually don't have to touch the product whatsoever, and once you pay for it on their site, they'll deliver it right to the customer. This way you don't have to manually deliver any of these orders and it's a lot less of a headache. And we can take this website as an example. You can see that they sell this product, and whenever they get an order for it, let's say they're using AliExpress, all they do is go in here, look up their product and find it cheaper and then have it delivered to the customer. But they're always charging more than what they're getting it from the supplier in order to make a profit. Another example is on Amazon. Like all these different sellers on here have the Prime logo and they order the product in bulk from Alibaba and they get it for super cheap, then they ship it off to Amazon, and then the Amazon FBA warehouse takes care of the rest when a customer places an order on their listing. And then going on to step number 3, we need to figure out where we want to sell our products at. You have places like Amazon, Etsy, Shopify, and even eBay where there are huge marketplaces of people that are already there for you guys to get customers. And first off, we have Shopify. Like this is a platform that I personally know and I build tons of different Shopify stores on. And the cool thing about it is you can build your entire business around it. You have free control. You can sell basically any type of product. But the only issue is, and this can be a pro or con for you, you have to figure out how you can find the customers. And you can do this by advertising on multiple platforms to direct customers to your store. And there are really different types of pros and cons depending on what platform you use. So if you were to go the Shopify route, I highly recommend that you do drop shipping. This way you guys don't have to buy inventory all up front. In addition to this, if you guys want to use Amazon, you don't even have to worry about trying to find your customers because they're already there. You just have to worry about ordering the inventory and making sure that you selected a good product. And believe it or not, you can actually dropship on Amazon as well, and even dropship on Etsy doing print on demand. And for you guys out there that are interested in maybe doing affiliate marketing, you can use different platforms like ClickBank to find really good offers. You would just have to figure out how to promote it. And by promoting those types of products, you'd be getting a commission. And the cool thing about all these different platforms is that they're completely free for you guys to sign up. up, and this is exactly why it's so easy to start an online business instead of a brick and mortar one. Now, going on to step number 4, we need to figure out how we're going to advertise a product, because you can literally have the best product in the world, but if you don't know how to advertise or market it, then it does not matter. And there are really two ways to do it. You can do either the paid route or the organic route, aka the free route. So if you guys were to take the free route and just get your Amazon listing up of a product that you want to sell, you just have to create a compelling listing with good pictures and a good description, and make sure you guys have good keywords in your title. This way your listing can stand out. And by having all these different things, you guys will be able to have your listing pushed out by Amazon. But if you guys wanted to create a Shopify store around your product, you would need to figure out how to advertise. And this is where you really have free reign of doing organic or paid marketing. One of the best ways to promote your Shopify store is the organic route using YouTube Shorts, Pinterest, TikTok, and also Instagram Reels. Short form content is completely free nowadays, and there's so many different accounts and people doing this and making 7 figures. All you guys need to do is to have the product in hand, create a compelling 5 to 15 second video demonstrating your product, specifically focusing on the first 3 to 5 seconds to catch people's attention, and you can upload these types of videos on TikTok to go viral. And the cool thing about this is that you can actually list your store link within your TikTok bio to direct customers to your store. There are so many different brands out here doing the exact same thing, making 6 and even 7 figures per year just uploading free videos. And there really hasn't been a better time for people to start an online business, because you can do all of this for $0. And once you start saving up some profit, then you can start doing paid advertising on TikTok, Google, Facebook, and even Snapchat. And the cool thing about doing organic traffic initially, if you don't have that big of a budget, if you create a video that is doing extremely well, it'll probably also do well with paid advertising. Literally all you guys need nowadays is a phone with a decent camera, a good understanding of how to create a quality video, and that's basically it. And one way that you guys can see these types of videos is just by going on TikTok and just replicating product videos that have already worked for your products. You guys don't have to reinvent the wheel for whatever product that you're selling, and if you've already found something that works, you can put your own spin on it. Now, going on to step number 5, this is something that is extremely important and the most important out of all these steps. You guys need to be taking action. So after you figure out what product that you want to sell, where you want to advertise it, what platform you want to advertise it on, it's very important that you guys get in the trenches and actually do the work. So many people will do all these previous steps, but they're too afraid to start, and they push off starting their business for 6 months or even years. And you guys have to understand that regardless of how many course videos you watch, how many YouTube videos that you watch, you will not figure out how to successfully create a business until you start and have experience. Because I can guarantee you one thing, you will end up failing along the way more than you succeed. But you also have to understand that these failures are something that's going to build up the necessary skill set that you guys need to be successful. So just understand that every single thing that you're doing along the way is part of the learning process and is necessary. It took me anywhere from 20 to 40 different products before I found my first winner, or one that sold well for me. And what I did realize along the way is that every single store and every single business that I was setting up, I was getting extremely better and getting a lot better results. And eventually you'll find something that clicks. So don't be afraid to lose money in the beginning, or don't just think that you're wasting all of your time. So if you like this video, be sure to subscribe down below, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.